Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Emoji Blitz. You will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Emoji Blitz and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Emoji Blitz. Here you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.